Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharetrading.school.com. Today, again, we are going to discuss on a Nifty. If you remember yesterday, what we have spoke about Nifty is that Nifty is showing a strong structure as far as hourly as well as in intraday chart. In initial case, we have discussed first of all on daily chart, and we have said that in daily chart we have getting a golden crossover, and we have even referred this trend line, and we have said that if Nifty close above this trend line, and already it has closed once, it should close twice. So if two time it close above trend line, then the trend line is considered as a valid trend line, and this is what we can see. Yesterday also it has closed much above trend line. So in future, if in case market corrects, I think this trend line now is going to work as a very strong and major support line. However, we know that this level, that is 10,960 to 10,980, this level is a major resistance level for Nifty. So though it has closed above this trend line, now crossing is a major task. Crossing 11,000 level is a major task, and that is a reason, in spite of having a bullish bullish pattern in this trend, market is not showing much conviction. Secondly, major stocks in indices like Nifty and Nifty Junior, sparing few stocks, most of the stocks are in showing in a downtrend to consolidation phase, except few stocks like Reliance, which is pulling this market north. However, it is about to get overbought in near time, and that is the reason chances are there that the profit booking at Reliance may show the fall in this, rather may be a reason for Nifty to finding difficult to cross this level, or some other indices, some other major stock should take place instead of Reliance to pull this index up. Only a few stocks like IT and few pharma stocks are in the second rally. So probably if in case they participate in a much stronger way, then we may think we may see that crossing this 11,000 level of Nifty is possible, but it is quite difficult at this moment. One more factor which is a matter of worry is that I can see there is a invalid crossover taking place out here, and because of that also most of the time we find a correction within 1 or 2 days. So probably 11,000 will be very difficult for Nifty to cross and close beyond that. So defensive trader will again have to wait for market to close above 11,000, and only then they should think of going long. Until then, they will have to wait outside the market, and they should consider this place as a no trade zone. Whereas for compulsive traders, still we are with the strategy which we have opened it yesterday. Yesterday we have said that in we have plotted this Fibonacci, and how to plot that Fibonacci we have talked yesterday in yesterday's video, so we are not going to discuss on it now. However, our first target, actually, we have said in yesterday's video that Nifty once crosses 10,910 level, then think of going long, and the first target will be 10,931, and second target will be 10,980.83. If you see that yesterday, once Nifty crossed 10,910 level, this has actually just missed the target by creating 10,900 and almost 28 level. It has touched 27.90. Just missed by 2-3 points, and then we have seen that profit booking in last hour. However, that level, chances are there that today that level will be crossed in the opening itself, and market will try and move towards our second target. So those people who have not booked their profit should continue their long position. In case anybody wants to enter in this market, should go long above 930 level, keeping a target of 980. So 10,980 will be our target for Nifty, and we should keep our stop loss for Nifty below this level, which you can consider this 50 EMA, this 50 EMA. in 15-minute chart of Nifty spot, we can keep it as your stop loss. So 10,850 level we can consider as a stop loss, and it can be trailed with the trending market. If in case anybody finds it very conservative, then practically your stop loss will be 10,830 on a closing basis. Even yesterday we have said that 10,830 will be stop loss, and this 10,830 has proven as a strong support because it tried to penetrate almost 2-3 times but could not close below this 10,830, and that is a reason. Please, anybody who can afford or to keep a stop loss till 10,830, that will be much better, but it should be kept on closing basis. So this is our strategy, and this strategy is only for compulsive trader, and of course these videos are for educational purpose. While trading or referring these numbers, we should first of all learn this analysis by yourself, and then use this analysis. This is just for your guidance purpose and education purpose. So thank you very much, friends, and wishing you best of luck.